Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today this is a tutorial about how to get moving wallpapers like you see in front of you on your computer screen. Alright, so first step is you're gonna have to download Steam if you don't have it already. And then you're gonna want to download a program called Wallpaper Engine. Okay, and once you've downloaded that program, it costs just a tad bit of money, but it's definitely worth it. Many people can make different drawings. See, they all make their own different drawings, and you can use them for the wallpapers in your computer screen. Makes your computer going experience that much better. Then once you've downloaded it and installed it, you go ahead and go over to here, and there's going to be an extension right here. So you've got all these like different extensions on your browser, and then you've got Wallpaper Engine right here. You click on that, it'll open up a couple of options. You can change your wallpaper, go to your recent wallpapers, and then you can like browse workshops and all that stuff for different wallpapers. Then once you bring up the wallpaper menu, it'll show you that, oh, there's two monitors. Since I have two monitors, you can select which one you want to change. I want to change my main one. And then we come over to the ones that I've downloaded and the ones that I've made. And let's say, you know what, I want Rainy City. So you click on it. Once you get it, it'll change this bottom thing so you'll know. Then you press OK and it'll close the program, and then there it is as it goes. And it just does that. And you can keep changing it, and some of them have sounds. You can always change what's on it. So if you don't want sound, you can turn off the sound over here. You want alignment, you want it to cover, you want it to center, you want it to stretch, whatever you want it to do, you can do. And to browse the workshop, it's just up here. Simple click, you go to the workshop. There's a ton of wallpapers that you can browse through, or you can search them up yourself if you want to figure it out. Like, oh look, this one looks pretty neat. Then you go over here, you subscribe to it, which then helps out the creator of said wallpaper, and then you move it out, and wow, that's actually a really cool one. And it just keeps doing stuff like that. Whatever the animator, or whatever they decided to put on their whatever they decided to design, that just animates over and over again. Now, as you can see, if I open up a program, let's say I open up Wallpaper Engine again, and I click on it, the animation stops to help your CPU and all that not be so taken away by, you know, animating something you can't see when a program's open. And so that's how you get animated wallpapers for your computer screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more of this kind of tutorial stuff, please leave a like and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next.